Here's a very interesting Japanese-made, very high-quality, heavy-duty, kind of a mini planer. It's manufactured by a company called Lida, I-I-D-A, and they're still in business, and they're a big Japanese manufacturing company. This is a mini Forte Lida planer. It's very precision. It really puts on a smooth surface. It has insert knives. Comes with a good selection of new inserts and some used inserts that can be sharpened. Has a dust collector, homemade dust collector hood that mounts. Take this plate off and it mounts right on here. It's your adjustment up and down. It's chain driven, just like a real planer. This particular machine, we have installed new in-feed and out-feed rollers. There's the head. There's the insert knife, if you can see that.